This is the same thing which I had said. Top of the funnel is where people don't know you. The more filter you, the more you pass them through your funnel, the more they are ready to buy from you, because now they you know you more. Let's take a real life example. You are visiting a dentist. Okay, so dentist won't sell you the main product directly. Let's say they have something called RCT, or maybe they have some cosmetic surgery. They won't be selling you those things directly, right? So first they will, when you visit a dentist, what is the process? First you will go there. On the reception you will fill a form. They'll check all the details. Okay, after that you will go to the room. The dentist will be there. He'll examine your tooth and teeth, everything. Then what he will do, he will suggest something, like he will take 400-500 rupees to examine the teeth. That is the consultation fee, right? After consultation, then he will come to the root cause of the problem, because without consultation how can he come? But he's taking it through a series of steps. Maybe after consultation he will tell that you need a RCT, or you need some surgery, or whatever is the thing. That is one example. Similarly, anything you take, the example will be same. If you're going to learn dance, or if you're going to a gym trainer, again you will go there. You want 2-3 days demo first. After demo you want to enroll in that gym. You want to see if the trainer is good or not for you, right? Or let's take one more final example. Let's say in case of marriage, marriage doesn't happen directly. Like you meet with the parents, then or you meet with a girl, then like it happens, right? You meet with a girl, then talk to her, then make friendship and all. Like there's a series of steps, right? Then marriage comes, right? So in terms of Facebook, we call it audience temperature. That people at the top, people who don't know you, they are called cold audience. COLD, cold audience. They are called cold audience for you, because they don't know you. They have heard nothing about you. Now let's say once they know you, they have registered for your ad, they have seen your ad, they visited your landing page, then they become warm audience for you. And let's say they have attended your workshop as well. Now you are hot audience for me. Now if I want, I can sell any product to you directly, because now you are hearing me from 2-3 days. But initially, let's say 1 week before, I was, uh, you were a cold audience for me, because you didn't knew me. I didn't knew you, you didn't knew me. So this is the example which I have written. Let's say what can be a typical funnel for any product, or let's say a course. It can be, you first gave a video. You first launched a video, educative video, 5 minutes for any topic. You gave a video. Let's say you are teaching personal finance. So you will give them a video, that this is the video why you should invest. Okay. Then you can say that download your free book. In the video, end of the video, you will say download my free book. After that, once you've downloaded the book, then in that thank you page, once you've downloaded the book, you immediately will get a message that enroll in my 99 workshop. Why don't you enroll in my 99 rupees workshop, or whatever be the amount, small commitment. Once you enroll in that, there will be another upsell, that why don't you buy my this product, that which is of 10,000, let's say. And then another bigger commitment, let's say, okay, so you like the product, why not take a personal consultation from me worth 50,000.